G'day Irish treasure hunters. This is John Green on Irish Ore. I want to show you something. The missus and I bought a house here in Ballymote, and there's the granary in the background. You can hear the road. We're on the main street here, O'Connell Street. There's the house. There it is. But what is really interesting today is it caught my eye. There is a trapdoor here. Alright. Right next to the drain. The drain was replaced, I don't know, maybe 20 years ago. But this door looks like it's been here for more than 20 years. It's old ass. There's some kind of handle that we can yank on. I don't really know what to expect. I think it is a trapdoor that goes down to the sewer system. And I somehow think that this this ladder here could have come from this trapdoor. I could be wrong, of course. What do I know about 100-year-old trapdoors? Very little. All right. So you're watching Irish Ore, and I'm going to open this trapdoor, which I believe goes down to the 100-year-old sewer system. It's been sort of sealed off with bits and pieces. Looks like they painted over it several times. It looks like it used to be all kinds of colours. Pinks and greens and greys. This has not been opened for a very long time. The wood is literally rotting off, but it's quite a very thick piece of wood down there. I'll try to get rid of this stuff around the edges. They've got bits of wiring, sort of trying to insulate the hole or whatever's going on. I don't really know whether there's access for a human being or whether it's just a couple of pipes here. But it looks wide enough that someone could actually fit inside this hole, especially this way or that way. I don't think it's just an access point for someone to work with pipes. But come with me and have a look. Alright, this bastard. This handle is sort of useless. It's kind of stuck in position. I'm just gonna jimmy it up as best I can. Alright, let's see if I can get the handle loose. You can see there's a handle. I'm not really sure who this is access for, but since I own this house, I can do whatever I want. Of course, this piece of wood here is so waterlogged, it would make sense to replace this completely with something that is more waterproof. Look at all those many colours. Very, very wet. Alright, I think I can just lift it from here. Righty. Oh. Okay. It looked a lot more exciting than it turned out to be. I thought you could get in there. Weird. It's just a section of pipe. It's been cut. And that's it. It's nothing even important. I'll give you a look. I really thought we had something special there. It just kind of stops. It does go to the sewer, and the sewer is kind of here along this pathway. So that's a big fat nothing. I think I'm gonna have to build something to fill this hole in. I guess I could drop this thing back in for now and make a new trapdoor, which would be a bit more robust. Okay, all right, so the detail is it's a pipe that's been cut open and then a length of concrete sort of so the sides don't fall in. It's not as exciting as I thought it would be. I thought it'd be much deeper. I was really hoping for something like that anyway. Thanks for tuning in today. This has been a special Trapdoor edition of this very special sunny Irish Day edition of Irish Ore. Thanks for tuning in. My name's John Green. Next week we'll have some metal detecting videos for you, so stay tuned.